Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on online status on Viber. So when your online status is on, others can see when you were last active or if you're currently online. To do that, you need to open the Viber application and make sure you're using the latest version from Play Store or App Store. Now, once you're here, what you're going to do is you have to tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and tap on settings. Now here on settings, you have to look for privacy. And then here on privacy, you have to tap on share online store. And what you're going to do is you need to toggle the switch on the purple active. And now your contacts can see when you're online or your last seen time. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can tap this one and make sure this one is toggled on. So you have to take note that you can only toggle this on off once every 24 hours. If you turn off your online status, you won't be able to see others' online status. Online status shows when you're actively using Viber, not just when the application is open in the background. You can also turn on read receipts to make them or to let them know that you have already received or read the message, but this one is optional. So basically, that's it. So bonus tip, to see someone's online status, you can open their chat, look under their name, it will show online, last seen, or nothing if they have disabled it. So that's how easy it is to turn on online status on Viber. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.